Looking for the best automatic ball launcher but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best automatic ball launcher based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Franklin Ready Set Fetch Auto Tennis Ball Launcher Sports Ready Set Fetch Automatic Tennis Ball Launcher, Plug-in Power Adapter. This automatic tennis ball launcher delivers non-stop playtime for your dog with its game-changing continuous feed feature, where just plug it in and it keeps launching balls without interruption. Perfect for highly energetic dogs and their owners who need a break from non-stop fetch, it's ideal for households with multiple pets or those who want to tire out their furry friends quickly. I'm giving it a decent 3.6 star rating due to its overall performance and value. Number 4. XIMUSON Dog Ball Thrower Launcher Automatic Dog Ball Launcher. What sets this product apart from the rest is its intelligent design that mimics an owner's throwing motion, freeing up your hands while keeping your furry friend engaged. It's a game changer for those who want to boost their dog's patience, focus, and reflexes through repetitive fetch and return training. This automatic ball launcher is perfect for small to medium breeds, with 3 customizable launch ranges that adapt to any environment, whether indoors or outdoors. Plus, it comes with a premium durable ball set that outlasts regular tennis balls, ensuring safe and long-lasting play sessions. And the best part? It's effortless to operate, rechargeable via USB, making it a convenient addition to your pup's playtime routine. Number 3. MEKAPLE SML-BL Automatic Dog Ball Launcher. Perfect for dog owners who live in small spaces or have limited time to play fetch with their pets, this product brings the game to you. It's an automatic dog ball launcher that lets your dog enjoy their favorite game happily every day, making them smarter and healthier in the process. The interactive dog games and adjustable launching distance cater to your pet's exercising and intellectual developing needs, training patience and consistency along the way. What's more, the durable balls included are safe and perfect for dogs to chew and play with, and the power-saving setting ensures the device won't be a waste of energy. All in all, it's a fantastic option for busy pet owners who want to keep their dogs engaged and happy. Number 2. Elite Bay Automatic Dog Ball Launcher. This product is perfect for active dog owners, especially those with small to medium-sized furry friends, who want to keep their pets entertained and energized, even when they're busy or away. It's an interactive dog ball thrower that automatically launches balls, making it ideal for fetch training, exercise, and solo play. The 6 included soft 2-inch balls are gentle on your pet's teeth and suitable for short to mid-range fetch games. Its durable ABS construction, compact size, and vibrant colors make it a great choice for indoor or outdoor use. And with USB rechargeability, you can power it up from a laptop, power bank, or car charger, making it convenient for home or travel use. Overall, it's a great addition to any dog owner's toolkit, delivering big fun in a small package. Number 1. ALL FOR PAWS $31.95. Imagine this, your dog's tail wagging as they sprint across the backyard, laser-focused on their favorite tennis ball flying high through the air, launched by this incredible automatic dog ball launcher, providing endless fun and exercise for your furry friend during those lazy Sunday afternoons. It's perfect for medium to large dogs, with 3 adjustable distance settings to suit their age and energy level, and comes with 6 specially sized balls for instant play. The built-in rechargeable design makes it convenient to use, and it's designed for both indoor and outdoor play, so whether you're at home or on a hike, this interactive fetch toy will keep your dog entertained and exercised. It's not just about the exercise, though, this toy is also a great stress reliever and bonding tool, strengthening the connection between you and your dog, making it a must-have for any dog owner. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.